Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix songs keep buffering in Amazon Music. So if the songs in this app keeps buffering, it usually means a connection, cache or app issue. So actually guys, first you will need to check your internet connection. So just switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn the airplane mode on then off and move closer to the router for stronger signal. So then try streaming another app to test your speed. So slow or unstable internet is the most common reason for buffering. Also, I'd really advise to restart the Amazon Music and then your device. So to do that, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just go and swipe up the app. In that way will close the Amazon Music completely and then just restart your phone as I told you and then open the app again. So that's clear temporary glitches causing buffering. Also, I'd really advise you to check for an update. So just go with your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, look for the Amazon Music by using the search bar that you can see below, and then Amazon Music, and then find it and tap it, and afterward you will need to tap on updates if available. So that will fix streaming bugs that cause buffering as well. Also, I really advise you to update your phone system too. So just go and tap on your settings or your device settings, scroll to the general tab or general option, and then tap it. And after that, go with software update, second option. And right here, you will need to tap on the blue colored button, update now. And then you will update the latest version, and after that will ensure the compatibility between app and device. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.